Hello guys and welcome back to another video on app hacks. Today we're going to be teaching you how to follow a playlist on Spotify. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos by us. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is head on over to your Spotify application, whether it be on an iOS device or an Android device, the process is same. Now on the bottom navigation bar, you should be able to see the search icon. Tap on it, and on the search box that appears on top of your screen, if you tap on it, you should be able to search up for any playlist that you want to follow. Go ahead and tap on the playlist section, and all the playlist section that have this name will show up, and tap on the playlist that you prefer. Under the name and description of this playlist, you should be able to see the plus icon. Tap on it and you'll see that this playlist was added to your library. So if you go ahead again to the bottom navigation bar and tap on your library, you should be able to see the playlist, and this is how you can follow a playlist on Spotify. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.